welcome to I Just React and Review. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And hello, I am so excited for reacting to this video right now because this is the official teaser trailer for the third Spider-Man film, which is part of the MCU, Spider-Man No Way Home. And the thumbnail, hello, it has Doctor Strange on the thumbnail. I'm already dying of excitement and I have been looking forward for this film like a lot because I love Tom Holland as Spider-Man. I really think he did perfect justice to the teenage Spider-Man role, and I enjoyed thoroughly the first and the second movie, Homecoming, as well as Far From Home, though Homecoming was much more enjoyable for me. And yes, I have been looking forward to the third installment of this film, so I don't want to delay this any further. Let's just get into it right away. Oh, this is gonna be so good. The fact that Doctor Strange is there, Benedict Cumberbatch, and you know, like Tom Holland and Benedict Cumberbatch, they have such a great relationship, like off camera also, because I remember in the Infinity War promotions, they were always there together in the interviews. Like, I love the dynamic that they have, and in Infinity War movie also, with him, Tony, and you know, Doctor Strange, him and Tony, like all great trio, and it was amazing. So yes. So now that Tony is not there, so maybe Doctor Strange becomes his mentor and stuff like that. Is it that? Is it going to be that? Let's see. Okay. Oh man.
Oh, look at this. This is a good one. Some suggest that Parker's powers include the male spider's ability to hypnotize females.
Stop, come on.
Yes, my spider.
It got revealed now.
Can we just stay up here all day? It is so crazy down there.
That's right, folks. Spider-Man is in fact Peter Parker.
Listen,
His
I
face
did not
got
kill
revealed.
Mysterio. The drones did.
The drones that are yours.
Does any part of you feel relieved about all this?
What do you mean?
Now that everybody knows, you don't really have to hide or lie to people.
For the record, I never wanted to lie to you. But how do you tell someone that you're Spider-Man? Now everybody knows.
Wow.
But this isn't about me. This is hurting a lot of people. I've just been thinking about how to fix all of this.
So, Peter, to what do I owe the pleasure?
I'm sorry to bother you, sir.
Please, we saved half the universe together. I think we're beyond you calling me sir.
Okay, Steven.
That feels weird, but I'll allow it.
When Mysterio revealed my identity, my entire life got screwed up. I was wondering if maybe you could make it so that he never did.
Oh.
Strange. Don't cast that spell. It's too dangerous. Fine. I won't. The entire world is about to forget that Peter Parker is Spider-Man.
Wait, everyone? Can't some people still know?
That's not how the spell works.
So MJ's gonna forget about everything we've ever been through?
Stop tampering with the spell.
Oh my God, Ned, he's my best friend. Oh, my Aunt May should really know.
Stop talking.
What just happened?
Oh my god.
We tampered with the stability of space-time. The multiverse is a concept about which we know frighteningly little. The problem is you trying to live two different lives. The longer you do it, the more dangerous it becomes. Be careful what you wish for, Parker.
Wait!
Hello, Peter.
We have Dr. Ock. I am so confused and so happy. Wait. Oh my god. And this is because of the multiverse? Please don't tell me that secretly we'll get like Tobey Maguire also in the series. Because if he is there, if Dr. Octopus is there, are we going to get Tobey Maguire also? Okay, let me stop this first. I am so confused and so happy. I don't know. Okay, firstly, I loved how this is going to be more like an adventure of Doctor Strange with Spider-Man, and this is going to link the Doctor Strange movie with multiverse, like Doctor Strange and the multiverse thing. So this is setting up the Doctor Strange movie. That's what I feel, because he says that they have sort of, with that spell, they have messed up a little bit with the space and time dimension, and it just, something goes wrong and the multiverse basically opens up. So this is Spider-Man with Doctor Strange and his adventures, like how in the first one it was Spider-Man with Tony Stark. And I just loved how he went to Doctor Strange asking for help. I just love that. And the fact that multiverse basically opens up and we have Dr. Octopus. This confused happiness, I'm really happy. This was least expected. I mean, I didn't anticipate it at all. And if the movie, if there is a cameo of Tobey Maguire, I'll faint in the theater. I'll probably faint there. Oh man. I wouldn't say that the trailer gave out a lot of things where he goes to Doctor Strange and he says that please make me forget, but I think it was required, so we know that at the end Mysterio revealed to everyone that he was Peter Parker is Spider-Man, and so we see that post that his life is like total hell, and not just his life, his close friends, we see MJ, then his friend Ned, the Aunt May, everybody is taken into custody and stuff like that, and he is getting blamed for Mysterio's death because that's the last footage that we see that he released to the public. I don't think Mysterio is dead because his body was never like shown to die. We don't know because he's not moving. Was the last I think it was Friday that she was saying that he's not moving basically. So I don't think he died. He's a master manipulator. He can just fake everything so well. So I'm pretty sure he is alive and probably will make an appearance later. But then we see in the beginning that yes, his life is hell. And then when he casts the spell, Doctor Strange, when Stephen Strange casts the spell, I think everybody forgets about him being Spider-Man. So we are back to square one. So it's only him, Doctor Strange, of course. And something happens with the multiverse and we get this entire chaos. I love it. I love this concept. And I love the fact that this is going to set up the basis for the Doctor Strange and Multiverse film, which is one of the films that I'm really looking forward to, because the concept of the multiverse is just so fascinating and amazing, and I really want to see how they bring that thing into life. And then the ending punch of Dr. Octopus coming in is just mwah, chef's kiss. So yes, I loved it. I'm so happy to watch this teaser, and I'm gonna look forward to all the trailers of Spider-Man No Way From Home. So yes, that was the reaction, guys. Do let me know what are your thoughts on this teaser. Did you like it, not like it? Do you think that they gave out too much, and it being a teaser, they should have kept it a little bit more mysterious, and then they should have revealed slowly with the trailers? What do you guys think? But I feel Marvel Studios, they always have a strategy, you know, that how they are going to make us excited for this movie. So yeah, that was the reaction, guys. Do share in your thoughts in the comment section below. I would love to read them. And yep, I will now see you soon on my next video. Bye bye.